I really like. Hi, Jimmy Cannon here, singer and voice coach, nurturing confidence through the power of the voice to deliver your message with presence and authority. So today I want to do a video about how to start to sing. One way to do that is to use your everyday speech patterns to create your sound. So let's try this. Just say something that you might, just make something up completely. I'm going to say, I really like your shoes. I really like your shoes. Where did you get those? So just using that, I really like your shoes. Now, any time while you're saying that sentence, I just want you to stop on a vowel sound and just open that sound out. So wherever it might be. So for instance, I really like. So I'm going to go I like. I really like. Now that was, let's see where that was. That might be, there we go. It's a D. I really like. Now that's sort of pretty much around my pitch range. My pitch is normally around B flat. So it's normally there. So normally I'm around there, my speech. But normally if I'm really expressing myself, I go a little bit higher than that as I'm speaking. But use your speech, give you a little bit of where your natural pitch is to start singing. So if you're somebody that is, I just can't sing at all, well, that's rubbish, because you can, just by opening up the sound at any point in your speech, and it could be anything. That's just to get an idea of where your natural pitch or your fundamental resonance of your sound is when you sing. So by singing in your natural pitch range of where you speak, it's going to encourage you to start singing. It's going to give you an idea of where your natural chest resonance is, or what we call our modal voice. And it's also going to give you an awareness of your natural or your authentic or your true voice. When we sing, of course, we use a lot more emotion with the content and also a much wider dynamic and pitch range. So give that a go. Let me know how that happens. You might notice, I'm not sure whether the microphone is going to pick it up, but I live in the country and there's a farmer shooting something out there, so I'm just dodging the bullets. So I hope that helps. Let me know how you get on with that exercise. Just start with your normal speech, your normal communication speech. Open up one of the vowel sounds in the middle of the word. Hope that works for you. Let me know in the comments below if that gets you starting to sing. I just want you to start singing. Anytime, anywhere. Anytime, anywhere. What's the song?